A lot of members have been asking about top flow. This is a strategy I designed a little bit before COVID, and I perfected it during COVID. It's a set of rules. I kept making my rules more and more and more and more strict. It was something that I saw using a certain filter of unusual options activity, using filters on that for the broker that I use, or for the platform that I use to monitor, which is a couple of them for unusual options activity. It's a strategy I created. No, I'm not going to tell you what it is. That's my trademark. I've told some people, but it's hard to perfect it because the rules I have is what really makes it work. It's not just randomly throwing your money in stock because there was unusual options activity on it. The accuracy there isn't that high, although it's something to take a look at, especially unusual whales with the channel that we have in here for hot contracts. So let's just go over some of the plays here. You know, going back a month ago, NVIDIA P's $3. They sold 335. There's lots of risk management here. Let's say I got in for 3, now they're 320. Let's say I had 5. I sell 2 at 320. I put my stop limit at 3. Stop market, not limit. I don't do limits. I market in and I market out and I put stop markets. It's not going to work with fast-moving contracts with limit orders. So if you're on Robinhood, it's like you're not getting in these. You got to be able to market in unless you're using Robinhood Legend or whatever it is. Palantir 80 puts for 250, saw 425. NVIDIA puts 108 P's 23 cents to 161. Talk about a runner there. That is nuts. Tesla puts 315. 405. God, did these, wow. $13. $13 from 315. That is insane. That is nuts. So let's keep moving here. March 11th, Tesla 250 calls for $390. Saw 550. These actually kept running. Were these calls? These were calls. We also had Tesla calls here. These banged. These absolutely banged. NVIDIA 120 calls, 305. Saw 390. Not bad. That was Tesla, obviously. I'm on voice, so if you guys have questions, you can just, you don't need any permissions, special permissions and roles other than you're a paid subscriber. And you could be on voice. If your options are full access, you're allowed to be on voice. And you can ask me anything. You can interrupt me. You can jump on. I'm there from about 7 to 7:30 in the morning till 4 p.m. 5 days a week. And I've been doing this, and I've been on voice since 2018 for 5 days a week. Tesla P's $8, 10:45. They saw 12. It looks like I'm mad because I missed this. NVIDIA 120 calls, same days, expirations, 105, 152, not bad. Intel calls, I remember these, 87 cents. Look at the flow on those. That was nuts. Intel went crazy. How much did I say these were? 87? Went to 151. NVIDIA P's. NVIDIA 115 puts 164. Oh my gosh, look at that setup. Low, low, higher, low, higher, low. Uh-oh, not a higher low anymore. I wonder what's going to happen. And we got smacked. I remember this. I remember this now. I forgot about this. Beautiful candlestick formation right there for downside. On top of it, being pinned by the 8 and respecting it. Beautiful. 211 from what? 160, not bad. March 18th, 200 Ps. This is quad witching, wasn't it? 137 to 165. Not that good, but hey. NVIDIA Ps, March 19th. 121 to 152. Here I am. Filled at 121. Trim more. I cannot lose. I have a stop at entry. Lowered it by 1 to 120. Right? It's not possible to lose. I have a stop market in. What can happen? This is risk management. You'll have Robinhooders be like, what do I do with this later on? I'm like, you didn't have a stop? It was up 30%. It should be impossible to lose at that point. Impossible. I trim more, I sell more. Then I throw a stop limit at entry. If it's up like 400%, my stop limit isn't going to be at entry. It'll be up where I just make 200%. I don't have to write that down. Let me calculate what 200% would be. I just kind of eye it. It comes with experience. I'm on voice. You can also talk to me. Meta 600 Cs 375. 1280. 375 to 1280. There's bangers in here. Keep in mind, guys, we'll go over all the other channels. March 21st, I think this was quad witching right here. NVIDIA P's 42 cents, 61. Tesla C's. Okay, NVIDIA P's 42, Tesla C's 435. Went to 605. Amazing. TSLL, because Tesla was too expensive and it already ran too much. If it's a giant bar, I'm not going to chase it, right? 45 cents. Then we had NVIDIA calls as well at 162. NVIDIA to 216 from 162, right? Is that a different day? It's not a different day. And TSLL at close hit 105. March 24th. We're heading into April now. NVIDIA 120Ps. 188 all the way to 250. Tesla puts 270. And Tesla puts and NVIDIA puts. NVIDIA from 69 to 114. Tesla 270 to 350. NVIDIA saw 285. Tesla 280 calls 370 all the way to 12. I mean, there was, this is like a whole month of wins. There was a loss last week, but you can afford a loss here or there. And it was everything lined up. I followed the strategy, the rules properly, and Tesla missed their deliveries. And it was profitable and then out of nowhere shot up with the market. It was a shame because I want to be 100% accurate. I mean, look at this channel. It's just ridiculous. Tesla, I mean, we can keep going forever. 270p at 410. 675, ridiculous. NVIDIA sees 235, saw 262. I'm saying this is a win. I'm trimming it, and my stop limit is an entry. So I've won. I sold in profit, stops are at entry. Worst case, it sells it where I bought it, or maybe a penny or two above to cover commissions. I mean, it's just ridiculous. We can just keep going and going and going and going and going. Like, look at Friday. Let's look at Friday, okay? April 4th, NVIDIA, 99p, 195, okay? Let's scroll all the way to the bottom. Look at this. The NVIDIA 99Ps were 660 from 195. Tesla 315Ps. Announced that in the morning. $14 from $315 to $1,400. $1,400. Absolutely insane. So I had posted two NVIDIA puts, both printed, and I had posted Tesla puts, they printed as well. I posted new NVIDIA puts right here, 85s at 184. And those ran. Those just kept going and kept going. Where were they? 184, here's 229. 251. 260. It's ridiculous. This is a fantastic strategy. So how I trade a crash like this is I swing strangles. I'm in cash. So I'm in a strangle if it goes up and we rebound, which could be heavy rebound based on news. I make money on the calls and I lose on the puts. Your max loss is 100% on the losing side. Your max gain is in the hundreds of percent, thousands of percent on the other side. So I'm good there. And I scalp like this and I kill it. I kill it. This is the top flow strategy. People in the free chat were asking about it. This is what we have here. We also have other channels. These are all other channels that I have over here. So, I mean, I'd like to post little spy scalps, 95 cents. These actually saw 170. I mean, there's stuff all over the place. We have then the analysts, all trades mashup channel, our community options, Panda. This is a new guy coming, JPM, Market Bishop, TLM. We have a lot of people in here. My buddy Kramer's in here. Then we have our lotto trades. These are day trades in the white, both of them. These are lotto. We got Demon in here. We got Zero or Hero. Wax is in here. Flint's in here. We've got swing trading as well. Everything in the orange is the swings channel. We have advanced options over here, including the wheel. We have our equity channel in the yellow. We offer a lot here. I'm trying to give the retail traders a community where it has everything. It's got it all. We need to get a futures trader in here. That's coming. We have a Forex. We have got 3 Forex traders. We've got a lot of people in here. We've got a crypto futures channel as well. We do IPOs. We do we have swing trades and day trades on small cap for penny stocks. We've got some of the best traders around in here. So we've got myself leading stuff right here as well. ICCT was a banger. NFAI. That one was a banger. Yes. Thursday. We have a lot in here. Then we have not only one UOA service with Trady Ticks, but we also have, where is it? We also have, where is it? Give me a second here. UOA flow. We also have unusual whales as well as Trady Ticks. And we also have live squawk going on. And I'm on chat, voice all day long, and we're trading. We have some of the best analysts around. I would argue we are the best stock market community out there. Who else has a variety of traders and trades like this? From Forex to options to advanced options to equity to live trading to high probability, high risk, high reward, but high probability strategies, which is top flow. Look at the accuracy, go scroll through it, ask the traders in chat what they think about it. So, yeah, this is for the free chat members. This is for the people that are not subscribed to ZTRADEZ. This is for the ZTRADEZ YouTube. And this is kind of a monthly rundown of top flow and how great it is. And again, how I trade crashes like this is my favorite place to be. I hate it when we're high and ripping. You can't buy up there. If you buy up there, you're going to end up selling when it drops anyways. Why not just wait till it drops? There's a crash about every 2 to 2.5 years. I can save up my money and I can start scaling in equities there. 100 packs of really large names, top 10 in the S&P, and sell covered calls on the holdings before earnings when IV is juiced. If you guys like this information, make sure to like and comment for more.